Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Everybody, we are talking about breakfast in bed, everybody. Now, what I'm going to say is this is our popular omelet that we've been doing on our YouTube channel. We have all our omelets located on there. We've done sausage omelets. We've done vegetarian omelets. We've done fiestas omelets and everything. But this is a spinach omelet. Basically simple and beautiful and delicious, and have some nice thick bacon and some nice coated toast that we actually did in the skillet, everybody. Ever had skillet toast, everybody? That's what we do here. Now, so our skillet omelet here is the consistency of 4 eggs, butter, seasoning, everybody. Gotta have seasoning in your eggs, okay, because they come plain. We have our grated cheese, Mexican cheese styles, and we have our salsa, and we also have onions up in here, everybody. This is what I'm talking about. Follow us on our YouTube channel for those recipes. See you guys soon. We love you.